Okay, the question says Terry got a business loan for $3 million. So what I'm doing is I'm saying, well, that's going to be our total. And then she's going to spend the $293,984 on land, and then $843 on a contractor. That's supposed to be a square. There we go, rectangle rather. And then $403,005 on business supplies. And then it says, how much does she have left? So what this is showing is that there's three parts that are going to be taken out. These are the three expenses. So we got to figure out what this is first, and then take it out of the $3 million. So we can go ahead and add that up. Three expenses: $293,984, and then the $301,843, and then the $403,005. Going to add up all expenses first. So 5 and 4 is 9, 9 and 3 is 12, carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry my 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, carry my 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So $998,832 is our expenses. We're going to subtract that from the $3 million. $998,832. Let's subtract that. All right, so we're going to have to regroup all the way across over here. So this is where it can be a bit confusing, and this is where we see a lot of mistakes. So we're going to take one of those millions, and that's going to be 1 million is equal to 10 100,000s. So we're going to take one of those 100,000s and bring over to the 10,000s. Take one of those, bring it over to the thousands. We're going to take one of those thousands, bring 10 over to the hundreds, bring one of those over, and then we have 10 tens. Take one of those, and now we have 10 ones. Now we can do the subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, and then 2. So $2,001,168 is what we have left. All right, the next one. So this is number 1. The next one is going to be just the algorithm of 532,000. Sorry, not. It's been a long day. 532 times 23. All right, 3 times 2, or 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. All right, we're going to the tens place, so we need to put a 0 in the ones place. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Add that up. So these are our partial products. Here we're multiplying in the ones place. Here we're multiplying in the tens place. So these are a part of the product. So we now need to find the final product. 6 plus nothing is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my 1. 5 and 1 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry my 1. That's 2. And that's a 1. So we got 12,236. All right, that's number 2. Number 3. A farmer has 135 cows. Each cow is going to eat 27 cattle cubes. I guess he measured it out, right? How many cattle cubes will they eat after one day? Well, the day it just means one group, or one day's worth of feeding. So you're just going to multiply these two together to get your total amount that they're going to eat, because there's 135. And this is one thing we talk about, is the get, which means how many groups do we have? How much does each group have? And then what's our total? Well, the cows are the groups. We have 135 groups, meaning there's 135 cows. Every cow is going to get 27, so that's each. 135 times 27 will tell us how much the farmer needs to have in store so that his cows can be full. Now, is this realistic? Maybe not. So 7 times 5 is 35 times, add my 3. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. All right, going to the tens place, so we put a 0 in the ones place. We've already used these here, so get them out of here. 2 times 5 is 10, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then 2 times 1 is 2. So then we have our partial products. Add those up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3,645 cattle cubes. All right. Good job, Mr. Farmer. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, it says a group of 15 people collected this many's. That much. Pecans, if each person received the same amount of pecans from the total amount collected, how many pounds of pecans will each person get? So it's saying that we have a total of this much. We're going to be splitting that amongst 15 people. So we need to do some log division. So the way that I've taught it, I haven't taught, skipping here. I haven't taught that yet. But what I do in order